Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome to this series of video regarding KOC4. KOC4 is the cost analysis report, and we have shown you how you can automate them and make it for more enhancement on the using your VBA expertise. You can do plenty of things like consolidation, multiple financial report. Financial years, and they are clubbed into a single sheet like compared, and in which you have the financial year uh, flagged on every entry, and now you have the 3 years of data, BOM data, with the material explosion, with the material consumption, uh, with all the document numbers, the production order, and with all the materials and their quantities and the US dollars, etc., etc. Right. So we have made some more enhancement in it that would usually required to explode the bomb, right? That is called material explosions, right? To report, for example, this is the bomb. This is the production order, and it is of $82,000. All right, and it has that much quantity. That's fine. Okay, so what we do is we double click on it, making sure that your SAP is running. Okay, so it will take care of it. Okay, so this is our target. Now, what would happen then? That as soon as we complete, we will have this material details be added into the material sheet like this, right? This is the material, the procedure order, and all the materials are listed with their plant, with their quantities and values listed into it, right? So that would help us know that if we want to see that how many production orders involved in which a particular material is involved, right? So that is called material explosion, right? So it will list you down that for what product, which BOM, bill of material, uh, and has got this material of what quantity and value, right? So let's get back to the compare sheet, and we double click on it and see what happens, right? It is going to take it to you as it was shown to you in our previous video. It is to start from the beginning. It will drill down this $82,200.52, and then it will take the breakup, and then it will take that breakup into the Excel sheet of material, right? So that is what it is doing now. It is now bringing all the information which are listed in here, right? And then it is taking it into the Excel, right? If you see, you will see that this production order is now being listed in here. Okay, if you see what is the production order number, this was your production order number. So let me 1000632 82,200, right? And what were the materials? And they all have already reached into our Excel sheet. So where is it? In the material sheet. If you see, yeah, this is your material sheet, and in the material sheet you have all your your selected BOM. The production order has the material BOM listed into it with the quantities and so for example, now if you want to see that 550 for example gears, for example forks, 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 right? Okay, so if we want to see that so far, if we have this database and we filter them out, right? Let's insert a row in here, right? We insert a row, right? And this is our material, right? So you, uh, this will be done by the system, no problem. Don't worry about this. So we are showing you what is the purpose of what we are doing, right? So first of all, let's filter them out. So you have this filter, and now you have all these materials, right? You have all these materials listed in which you can find them. Okay, so these are the material codes, and this is the material description. So description, for example, DESC. Okay, if you say you want to see the seats, you want to explore the seats. Okay, so we see. Yeah, so these are the seat. So there are two ports involving the seat, and so many different production orders involving these seats, right? 99 is used in this bomb. Also, this is also used with these quantity and valuation for this production order. And this is the third sheet, that is a different one. It is of this quantity, this value, and this is reflected in it in a separate production order, right? So if we clear it, let's do something more. Let's take a look of this one. Okay, 644. Okay, so let's double click on it. So this is going to do the same thing, and now 644 will be shown in your material explosion sheet, right? So it will explode your bomb into the bottom detail of the material consumption, and it will help you determine if you have done this exercise, automated this exercise, and it goes one by one, everything. And then in the end, you can filter a particular uh, material, and it is going to list you that this material is being used with this such and such quantity, with such and such valuation, and these many production orders, right? So this is the power of VBA. Through using your VBA expertise, you can customize your reports, and you can do further analytics, right? 644 is now should be available in your materials. Yes, the 644. Yeah, 1000644, and you will see that you have so many materials, and these with such and such quantities, and with so much value. And this is once added in it. Now you can say find how many kits are there. Okay, so let's get back to the top, and you say, okay, this all the field in which there are kits. So many things having the kits, and these are the material bombs. These are the production orders, and in the production order, you have all these uh, the material code, material description, their quantities, and their values. So you can do further. You can, using these techniques, you can go further, do your extensive analytics for material consumption, material explosion, etc. Okay. Thank you very much for watching.